Every day, we hold a device that feels like it came from the future. A screen filled with millions of glowing points, and a processor performing billions of operations instantly. But behind this incredible technology lies a very old secret. A secret that did not begin in artificial intelligence laboratories, but on a simple wooden workbench more than a century ago. Because the digital world we see today was built on something physical. The ability to create with unbelievable precision. Long before digital screens and intelligent machines existed, engineers and inventors were already searching for ways to control matter at smaller and smaller scales, laying the foundation for the technology that would eventually transform our world.
Before the presence of precision in our modern world, particularly within the realms of smartphones and advanced artificial intelligence, this meticulous accuracy was primarily a fervent aspiration championed by Swiss watchmakers. As the 19th century drew to a close, the intricate artistry of watchmaking evolved significantly, leading to increasingly complex mechanisms. But a hidden problem appeared. How can you create a precise part if you cannot truly measure its accuracy? The enemy was invisible, yet powerful enough to stop the most advanced watches.
Around 1896, in Sweden, an engineer named Carl Edward Johansson was searching for a solution to an impossible problem. Factories were becoming more advanced, but one question remained. How could you measure something with perfect precision without a perfect reference? Johansson's answer was surprisingly simple. He created a small collection of carefully polished steel blocks, each manufactured to an extraordinary degree of accuracy. They looked insignificant, just small pieces of metal. But when combined in different ways, they could create incredibly precise measurements. What Johansson had created was more than a tool. It became a new standard for engineers, machinists, and factories around the world.
Johansson's gauge blocks may have looked like simple pieces of polished steel, but they were far more than that. He created surfaces so incredibly flat that the blocks could cling together as if they were one piece. This simple idea created a silent revolution. For the first time, the world had a universal measurement standard. From these tiny blocks began the journey of precision that would eventually lead to airplanes, computers, and semiconductor chips, transforming modern engineering and manufacturing forever in ways few could have imagined, and enabling unprecedented accuracy across science, industry, and everyday technological applications worldwide, today still evolving.
Johansson's invention did not remain inside Swiss watchmaking workshops. The industrial world quickly discovered that a tiny steel block could become the foundation for building enormous machines. Cars, airplanes, and advanced engines all required parts that could fit together with a level of precision never achieved before. And the most surprising part was that this same idea would later leave the world of metal and enter the world of optics, eventually reaching the heart of modern computers. This transformation would prove that Johansson's simple measurement principle was far more powerful than anyone could have imagined at first. Johansson's secret was bigger than watchmaking. The true invention was not the steel itself, but a principle. The future cannot be built without surfaces you can trust. This philosophy moved from mechanical workshops into optical laboratories, where a tiny surface error could change the path of light. Decades later, the same precision became essential for creating the semiconductor chips that power the modern world. What began as a demand for perfect mechanical surfaces gradually became a broader engineering discipline, linking craftsmanship, measurement, and scientific discovery. In each new field, precision remained the foundation upon which progress depended for generations.
In 2026, semiconductor manufacturing seems like a completely different world from old watchmaking workshops. But inside extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, the same truth remains. Nothing extremely small can be created without surfaces of extreme perfection. The light used to draw circuits smaller than bacteria requires mirrors polished with astonishing accuracy. The irony is that the heart of modern artificial intelligence still depends on a principle that began with a small piece of steel in the hands of a Swedish engineer. That connection between precision engineering and advanced computing shows how older mechanical crafts can quietly shape the foundations of technologies that define the modern age.
When you look at a modern smartphone display, you see only an image. But behind that image are millions of pixels that must be positioned with extraordinary accuracy. In 4K OLED displays, an error smaller than a tiny fraction of a micron can affect quality. Every layer, every connection, and every microscopic structure must align perfectly, because at this scale, even the smallest deviation can become visible to the eye. And here comes the paradox. Although the screen appears completely digital, its foundation still depends on an ancient challenge: how to create something extremely small using extremely precise measurement.
Many people believe the age of intelligent machines has eliminated the need for old mechanical precision, but the reality is completely different. Inside the world's most advanced factories, robots still require exact calibration, and software cannot correct real physical imperfections. A computer can calculate perfection, but it cannot create it without a perfect physical foundation. This is Johansson's true legacy. The digital future was built upon mechanical principles. Even the most sophisticated algorithms depend on components that move, align, and interact with absolute accuracy. Behind every intelligent system, there remains a physical world where precision, patience, and craftsmanship still determine success in practice. As the world moves toward sharper displays, smarter devices, and interfaces connecting humans with machines, engineers return once again to the question Johansson asked more than a century ago. How do we create a surface we can trust? The future does not replace the past. It builds upon it with new layers of precision, innovation, and demanding standards. The chip powering artificial intelligence and the screen displaying your world both carry the legacy of a tiny piece of steel that changed the meaning of perfection, accuracy, and technological craftsmanship for generations to come.
If you wish to uncover more of history's dark paradoxes, subscribe and join us in the shadows.